Yo, what is up YouTube, and welcome to the ridiculous life of mine. So today we have driven 5.5 hours out to Virginia. Gonna check out a couple waterfalls. The first one is where I'm at now. It's kind of inconvenient because there's this fence here around everything, so there's really no hiking down into the valley. Even though there used to be a little fence that you could jump over, which is apparently why they replaced it with this much bigger fence now. But yeah, gonna hop out, get up here, take a couple pictures, and maybe fly the drone to get a different view. Yeah, let's check it out, see what we can do. Oh my goodness. Holy cow. Definitely got way too carried away with recording and was not paying attention to how freaking cold my hands were getting. Holy moly. Oh my gosh. Alright, well, good news is that I am pretty sure we at least got some decent shots. If nothing else, we at least got some new shots that I did not get the last time I was here, so I'm pretty happy with that. Bad news is that I got super involved and carried away to where I was only paying attention to flying the drone and getting the pictures and videos and everything, and I was not paying attention to how cold my hands were getting. And so, like, today is the first time I've ever been in, like, physical pain over how freaking cold my fingers just got. So that was the first. So now we are going to head to the next waterfall. I'm pretty sure it's about an hour and a half away. So yeah, I will see you guys over there. Alright, well, made it to the next spot, and as I was driving out here, you know, it's like flurrying, but there's no real snow stuck to the ground or anything. And I keep passing these cars that are like covered. And I was really confused. I was like, where in the world are these cars coming from that they're like covered in snow? Because, I mean, sure, it's flurrying, but there's nothing sticking. So I was so confused. And then in the last 10 minutes of getting up here, it changed completely to now being covered in snow, and like all the side roads aren't paved or anything. And so yeah, pretty drastic difference than where I just was, but I'm not mad about it. You know, if you know me, you know I love the snow, so definitely not mad about it. The road getting up to the parking lot was a little sus. I've never been here before, so I really didn't know what to expect with the road, if I was even going to be able to make it all the way out to the lot or not. So yeah, but we're here, and the snow is coming down pretty heavy. I do not think it's going to be a drone spot. The snow is coming down, but more importantly, it is super windy. So I'm not trying to fly that little thing and have it get blown into a tree or something. So yeah, from what I read online, it's not super far hiking out here. Luckily, I did bring my winter coat and a beanie just in case. So let's get out here and go check it out. So yeah, as you can see, quite a bit different. You know, I gotta tell you, this is not exactly what I expected when I chose to leave my house this morning. But that's alright. We're here now. Pretty cool little surprise. Not sure if we'll be able to make it all the way down to the lower falls or not, because it said it's a bunch of stairs and it can get pretty slippery and tough to travel. So I'm not sure how it's going to be with the snow and obviously without being cleared off. But I do know that this path to the upper falls is all paved, so I shouldn't have any trouble with that. But we're going to at least make the most out of this, that's for sure. Sweet, nice and helpful signage there. Ooh, got some sunlight out here for a minute. That's pretty sweet. I do believe that is Upper Falls, or Lower Falls. Whoops. Sweet. Hopefully not too much further. So I know what I said about this not being a drone spot, but I gotta risk it. I mean, how often am I gonna be here? It's not really snowing that much. The beautiful little view with the like crystal waterfall coming off. So like, I gotta try it. Alright, well I do believe that was a success. There's really not a whole lot of space to work with. Not only from the platform with my camera, but also like in the valley with the drone. There's really not a whole lot of wiggle room. And there's a lot of wind swooping down in, which is kind of pushing it around. So, made the best out of it. That's gonna be it for here. Time to hike back up these hundreds of stairs and get out of here. Alright, so that is gonna be it from here. I don't have any signal, so I'm gonna have to get away from here a little ways before I can check to see if there will be any other stops, but we're at least going to start making my way back to Columbus. So if I don't see anything else on the way home that I want to bring you guys along with, then, you know, that'll be it for this video. So if you liked it, make sure you give me a thumbs up, comment down below, tell me what you thought, subscribe if you're not already, share it if you can, all that stuff that makes me super happy and feels super good. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.